Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's October 8th, and I hadn't planned to do another video, but I got my new banana plant, and it looks rough, but it should be fine. Bananas are like a grass. Normally you can't kill them unless you just chop them off close to the ground, but this is a Namwah variety. My other bananas, I don't know what they are, but we're going to pot this up. I put it in some water so it could rehydrate. I got me some of my potting mix that I normally use, and we're going to pot this up. All we're going to do, I soaked it in some water, and I actually released, this was seed grown, so it has a layer of the little mesh that was grown in there beside it. Now, bananas aren't like, well, they're like some plants, but not like a lot of plants. You can take and plant it deeper. I found on mine that they really liked it whenever I planted it deeper. All we're going to do is put this in here. And I had talked about a new variety, and I couldn't remember the name. I had seen this in a video on the internet, and they talked about how good it was and how well it produced. Of course, a lot of that production depends on your soil. Now, bananas are like a lot of water and a lot of fertilizer. I did pre-mix some fertilizer in the bottom of here, some of my pelleted chicken litter, and I've got it in here. And being this thing's been stressed because its postal service has probably had it for about 5 or 6 days. I guess it's been about 5 days. And like I say, it doesn't look good because it's been taken away from the light. But we're going to follow this along. So I did this as kind of an introduction to this one. But like I say, this is a new one. I'm kind of excited about it, and we'll see how this one progresses until it comes into fruiting, and hopefully it'll fruit next year. I'm going to keep it in a pot through the winter just for sure, so I don't have it get too cold in the new greenhouse, the citrus greenhouse, and freeze and kill it before it gets really established. But there's the beginning. If you want to follow along on the journey for this, of course, all you got to do, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, and of course, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.